Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best smart doorbell with a camera available, the Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Let's get into why this device is causing such a buzz. First off, let's talk about what sets the Ring Video Doorbell Wired apart from the competition. With its 1080p HD camera, advanced motion detection, and two-way talk feature, this doorbell offers unparalleled convenience and security for your home. Just imagine being able to see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. Plus, with its night vision capability, you'll never miss a detail, even in the dark. But what about installation? Well, fear not. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired offers a DIY wired installation process that's surprisingly simple. With just a few easy steps, you'll have your doorbell up and running in no time. From disconnecting your existing doorbell to securely attaching the Ring Video Doorbell Wired to your home, the process is straightforward and hassle-free. Now, let's talk about connectivity and control. With the Ring app, you'll receive real-time notifications on your phone or tablet whenever someone presses your doorbell or triggers the motion sensors. Plus, you can customize motion zones to receive alerts for the areas that matter most to you. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired works seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to control your device with simple voice commands. Just imagine saying, "Alexa, show the front door camera," and instantly seeing who's at your door on your compatible Echo device. But wait, there's more. With a Ring Protect plan, you can record all your videos, review what you missed for up to 180 days, and share videos and photos with ease. It's peace of mind, delivered straight to your fingertips. And let's not forget about compatibility. Whether you're pairing your Ring Video Doorbell Wired with a Ring Chime, a compatible Alexa device, or one of the many bundles available, you'll have everything you need to enhance your home's security and convenience. So there you have it, folks. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired is not just a doorbell. It's a game changer for home security and convenience. With its advanced features, easy installation, and seamless integration, it's no wonder why this device is making waves in the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews, and until next time, stay tech savvy.